Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Calendly account on PC. Calendly is one of the online platform which helps you to schedule up your appointments and meetings easily. To log into your Calendly account on PC, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.calendly.com. Then press on enter. With this, here you'll be taken to official website of Calendly. Now here you can see login option on the top. Click on login option. Then you'll be directed to login page. On the left side you can see welcome back to Calendly. You need to first enter your email address that you have used to create your account on the given box. After entering your email address, you can click on login. After this, you'll be directed to another page. Now here you need to enter your correct password of your Calendly account on the given box. Now if you don't remember your password, you can click on send me a recovery email. After entering your password, click on continue option. With this, now here you'll be logged into your Calendly account. Now here you can see your profile on the top right corner. You can click on your profile and then here you can see your account has been logged in. This is how we can log in Calendly account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.